Okay. Here we go. First iComics stream in like, I don't know, couple years. Good times. Alrighty. So the thing I'm building is the thing that everyone's been asking for, which is dual page spread. It's sort of working, and it looks pretty cool. That's broken. I'm pretty sure some of these pages are out of order. Yep, that's broken. Yep. That's super broken. So, yeah. My goal is to try and get this done. Silk Avenger, how's it going, man? How you been, man? But yeah, so the goal is to try and make some progress in this thing, but I don't know how far we'll get. So I'm just going to like just code and complain a lot. And yeah. That's where we at. Wrong view. Right. I think the goal for today is my map image view doesn't work. It was a good attempt, but it doesn't work. So I'm going to pull it out and just use regular images. Alrighty, let's see how we go. You playing any games at the moment, Gavin? Oops, I see reader view controller. There we go. See how hard this could be. Risk of Rain 2. I've been playing Path of Exile with some friends lately. That's pretty good too. I haven't tried Risk of Rain though. So many good games. What else is on my list? I haven't finished Doom Eternal. Doom Eternal is one I need to finish up. Alright, let's try this real quick. Just like pull out TO map image. It was a nice attempt. So this is going to complain now. Yep, there it is. There's my mini map. I want my mini map back. There's my mini map. Where's my chippy? Chip. See if this works. This is probably going to be really chuggy. I'm going for Golemancer. Like, one of my buddies did like a really good Necromancer build where he can just fill the screen with skeletons. which is amazing. But I figured to balance that, I'd try Golem, the Golem build. But I'm having a great time. Golems, once you like power them up. Chip. I you'll love this. I showed some friends here recently, Tim and Eric, because they didn't get the joke. And the legacy, the spirit lives on. It's still so good after all this time. Oh, but yeah, I'm playing a Golemancer Witch in Path of Exile now. Was it one of my friends? He hasn't even seen Tim and Eric, but he just loves saying, "I want to meet that dad" all the time now. That's it. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, it's like a subclass of Elementalist. Just focusing on skills that involve golems. Yeah, there's like, what, 3 different subclasses to Witch? One of them's Elementalist, so I think that's correct. Is that it? Is that what I have to do? Nope, still complaining. What's going on? Oh, okay. Computer says no. Computer says very no. Oy, oy, oy. Here's my map view. Was supposed to handle like extreme zooming in and out, but it did not handle it very well. So I'm going to take that out and save that one for iComics 2. I guess we don't need an operation queue for this. Yeah, I guess we don't. It's no longer generating maps. It's gonna be so dirty. I think this isn't necessary anymore. I'm gonna comment it out just in case. Oh, it's not saying no. That's curious. Computer's thinking. The cores are firing. The battery's not charging. Okay. The trackpad's 25% to good times. I think it's stuck. What's going on? Just my luck that the one time I make Xcode crash is when I'm streaming. Yeah, I'm gonna quit it. I think I killed it. Yay! Beach ball of doom. Thanks, Xcode. There we go. So we don't need an operation queue here either. I think. Yeah, let's get rid of the page queue. Let's make this as simple as possible. Wait, maybe we do need that page queue. Do we have a separate queue for oh, that works. Okay. A separate queue for decoding image data versus extracting data from the zip file. Yay, black screen. Super minimal comic book reader. Where is it? Oh boy, data set. There it is. There's my chippy. Okay, paging view data source. Here it is. Okay. Oh, okay, nice. So this thing has its own separate thread that it's using to like extract all the comic book data on a background thread. Okay, cool. So we don't need a page queue in this one. Game controller session. I cannot remember writing that. I guess that's the PlayStation 4 controller support class. Paging view data source. Page view for type. Uh-huh. Wait, is this working? So if I set a breakpoint, open it. Yep, okay. And we get... What is that? What did we get past? Hopefully that's a comic book page. That is indeed a comic book page. Okay, that's a good start. Okay. So, loading logic is working, just display logic is completely broken. I don't think we need to track dirty either anymore. Nah. We just tear all this out. We can put it back in if we need to. Oh yeah, this isn't necessary anymore. I just pulled the... Oh, there's so much code here we don't need. Perform initial layout. Let's see here. Some kind of sizing logic is broken in here. Oh, we're not passing it to the image views. Okay, so we did need that. Okay. Oh. So we can grab that back out of the commit history. IC page view. Put this back in. Let's pretend we didn't just delete all that. Might not need this one. Definitely going to need this one. No, we don't need is dirty anymore. We don't need the operation queue. Okay. See what we get now. This is assuming I wrote all my custom code with the same sort of the same sort of mindset as Apple's APIs, so changing the name should just work. Nope, doesn't work. Alrighty. So what's going on here? This has not been called. Okay. So dirty is required. Okay. I'm trying to be clever here by deferring layout between both the primary and secondary image by saying dirty needs to be tracked. That way we only call it once and not constantly when we're relining out the thing. There we go. Okay. So in this case, there should only be a primary image, which okay, yep. Okay, so primary image is not nil, secondary image is nil. Okay, so it should be this one. That's a good start. Do we actually get... Yep, we got data out of that. That's good. Frame looks good. Yeah, that should work. Hey, there you go. That's working. Cool. Okay. That's not working. Oh, why? This is why this feature is so complicated. Well, that's a good start anyway. This is fine. I don't know why it's doing that. Oh wow, that is incredibly broken. Okay. The pages are now supposed to be scaled to the size of the screen, but they're a smidge bigger than the screen. I think something is... I wonder if I reset, though. That's really interesting. So it's the first... Hang on. Is it the first recycled page that's broken? No, because there's two. There's 2 pages. Also, this one should actually have a... This one should have an auxiliary page to go with it. That's weird. Oh, wait, unless this one's a double page, in which case that's correct. Yeah, this one's a double page. Okay. Okay, that makes sense then. Oh, let's keep work on this then. So I'm guessing what happens is if I make a breakpoint here. Yep. Yep. The new page is being set. And is dirty is being set. Okay, that's good so far. Perform initial layout's still happening then. Okay. Oh, is it because there's double pages? Yep, I think so. Something's happening here. Yep, so we grab... Yep, so we define the container frame as the sum of both page sizes. That's so far so good. And then we scale it down. Yep. Okay, that's still good. Oh, then we scale the images to fit the frame. Are they not working? Right. I think my math here is broken. All right. What's the frame here? Yeah, that's too big. That's way too big. Okay, something's broken in here. I think size that fits is incorrect now. Okay. Oh, math is complicated. Okay, so that's an error on my behalf, assuming that an Apple API behaves the way I assume, and apparently I'm wrong. Yay. So what are we getting here? What's that? Yeah, there we go. This frame size should not be that big. It's not that big. Okay, so this code's wrong. Hmm. This is stuff I've already implemented in iComics 2. Damn it. I don't want to do math. Have I got some kind of utility that I built for this thing? I don't think so. It's fine. Okay. Actually, no, I'll make an extension for this thing because I'm lazy. There we go. Not sure if this is the best way to do it in Objective-C, but this is usually the way you do it in Swift these days. If you want to extend to class, you just make yet another extension for it. Oops. Oh, hang on. How's this work? You call it category, you call it sizing, and you make it a class of UI image view. There we go. Why doesn't it know what a CG size is? Oh, there you go. There we go. I see size that fits. Size, fitting, size. Target size. There we go. Boy, number of times I've written this kind of code before. So let's see. CG size equals self.size. And then let's see, you get CG float, define a scale by whatever is the minimum scale factor. So min, let's see, if you're shrinking it down, target size is smaller than actual size. So it's target size dot width divided by size dot width. Self dot image dot. And I guess if the image is nil. Man, I feel like I'm doing an interview for a a Fang algorithm interview here now. This is exactly what it looks like. Size dot width times equals scale. And size dot height times equals scale. And that should be mathematically correct. One would hope. Alrighty. There we go. Now we're cooking. See how this looks. So far, so good. So far, so good. Breakpoints triggering. Okay. Turn the breakpoints off. Hey, there we go. I've got like high school grade trigonometry down pat. Awesome. Very good. That is still a bug, but that is still actually working a lot nicer. Very good. Cool. How big are these images? Not an easy way to find out. Okay. Oh, here we go. Intrinsic content size. 2000 by 3000. Is that correct? Hang on, let me, let's see here. Let me, make a copy of my desktop. So these are, well, that one's big. How big are these? $3,000 by 4,000. This one is 3,000 by 2,000. Okay. How many megabytes of RAM is that? 3,000 times 2,000 times 4. 24 megs of RAM per image. Okay. So in theory, you've got 4 of those. We've got 6 of those lined up. So it's like, boy, okay. So just showing the images is 144 megabytes of memory right there. This is going to be a big problem, especially with bigger images. The heck is that? What the heck is that? All right. Oh, that's the second page. That's what, okay. Since this is a single, the second page is hidden, but it's just sitting there, just chilling. Alrighty. So something I'm gonna do. That was easier than I thought. Hiya, Tom. Long time no see. Who is this, Cronbox? Where do I know you from? Haven't heard Tom in a while. That's a lie. I hear it a lot. Let's see. Something I need to do is how big is the iPad mini again? It's like, what is the iPad mini screen size? Uh, 8.3 inches. That's good. I needed that. What's its pixel size? There we go. 226 by 1488. Or in this case, it'd be 4. Oh, no, that's right. Width is 226. 2266. Okay. So, are these too big for that? I think that's fine. The thing I'm worried about is if the image is more than double the screen size, that's when you start getting shimmering artifacting. So that I think is fine. Yeah, anyway, I'm gonna rejig my texture calculation code to account for the fact that it can't be too big or else it starts to look bad on smaller screens. Where is it? Where's my metal code? Mm-hmm. Oh, there we go. Static GL int. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is old. Oh, criminy, this is so old. Thing is, I know so many cron people. Is it chronic? It is Chronic. Okay. Hey, man. Long time no see. How you been? Where are you now? Are you still in Perth? It's like, where is it? Certainly am. Good old Perth. I want to go back at some point. I haven't been back to Perth since January of 2021. It's been over a year now. Just missed Easter. I would have been back in Perth right now for Easter if stuff still wasn't crazy. Don't know about that. What is this? What's native screen size? Oh. Oh, come on. How do I get the size of a screen? Oh, it's bounds. Okay, not size. I don't know. I know what you're talking about. Just, chilling in my COVID box over in Tokyo. I think this is all I need. I see max texture. It's just what? NS integer max screen size dot width, screen size dot height, and then times what? Two? Yeah, that should be fine. All right. If I run this, what are we going to get? What do we get? 2266. Wait, really? Oh, okay. Yeah. I still got that box of Tomos. It's in my Perth place somewhere. It's good to talk to you again, man. All the best. Come visit Tokyo when you can sometime. Bowl of Tomos. Boy, I'm a bit terrified. There's been like 3 years of backed up memes that haven't been done yet. I'm sure top minds are working on that. Okay, screen size is okay. Main screen dot screen scale. Oh, should I do native? Actually, native scale might save some memory. Oh, nice. South Korea. I still haven't been to South Korea, but I like spicy food a lot, so it's on my list. So badly. Let's see if I can write some documentation for poor future Tim. Yep, catch you, man. Take it easy. Try this again. Should be 4-4 something. There you go. 4-5-3-2. There we go. Perfect. And so then these would all comfortably fit in there. I think. Yep. They would. Cool. That's a little less brainless than what I had before. And then okay, so what I'm going to do now is when I extract these pages from the zip file, we at the same time downscale them to this simple size. Or not, or just, I think in this case it wouldn't even matter. So it's in the cache already. I think a problem we have here is yeah, I gotta be a bit smarter here. A big problem I've noticed is sometimes image files can be absolutely massive, like a 53 megabyte zip, JPEG file. So pulling that straight into RAM's probably not a good idea, just in case. So I gotta be a bit wiser about this. This is a potentially dodgy line of code. This is where having a cache comes in handy. I should probably make a cache. Actually, I should probably... Oh, hang on. I'll be right back. Alrighty, sudden Amazon delivery. Very good. What was I going to say? I completely I forgot what I was going to say. All right, I was looking. I should get a proper caching mechanism for this thing. What's the most popular caching library? I think it's Tumblr cache. Is that it? Nope, it's archived. Who was it? Pinterest? Someone took over it. Pincache? Pincache. There it is. Okay, yep. I've started before. I've been here before. Yeah, okay, let's just use this. So yeah, we can use we're using in-memory cache as well. It's better than the one I'm using. Okay. Okay. Yeah, okay. Let's give this a try. And, oh, cool. So you can use it as a singleton. Okay. How do I Cocoa Pods it? Pin cache. How old is it? When was the last push? Last release was, oh my lordy, last release was 2 years ago. This is why Objective-C dependencies are probably not a good thing to rely on anymore. Are people still using this thing? Any plans for stable release? Okay. Disk size gets trimmed to default size in the init method. Should be fine. Okay, let's stick it in Cocoa Pods and see what happens. Put it under data handling. And like what, you just use a single, whoop, there we go. Use a singleton, I guess? Why is it? It always does this. Every time. I gotta always reopen it. Thanks, Cocoa Pods. There it is. I guess just the singleton version. Just make sure you give everything a unique name. Oh, that's really cool. So you've got a shared singleton, or you can make discrete ones with a name with a lot of parameters. Time to live. Oh, okay. So you can actually configure it with the time to live limit. That's nice. So can I just say, like, when I hit a specific threshold, This music is so good. Do I have the ability to save images as WebP here? Is that implemented? Yeah, it is. Okay. All right. So I could actually cache this to disk as WebP. Yeah, okay. All right. Let's go back. Should be enough now. Do I have Realm Studio installed? I do not have Realm Studio. Realm Studio is a legacy. Oh, dearie me. Where's the new one? There's the new one. How old is this? Oh yeah. Okay, this is it. Hope it has a an M1 silicon slice. MongoDB Realm Studio. Oh, that's a long name. So I think I am still... Have a look. Hey, whoops. No. No, I don't want to. Oh, fine. Oh, fine. Oh, that's so cheap. This is still working, right? That's doing something. Hey, there we go. Yep, okay, that's still working. So there's my comic book data. And so then we should have... Where is it? Cache? Caches. Comic data. 7FB. Here we go. So this is the comic book cache. Yep, there we go. Yep. This is a database that stores all of the ordering of the pages. So I can get them out in like like alphabetical order. But what I'm going to do is I think I need to extend this to include some kind of unique identifier for each page. Then we can map that to the cache file name. So even though... Well, let me think about this. Even though we have a single bucket full of cached page images, each one has a unique name, so we won't lose track of it. It's a bit more efficient than what I was doing before, where I was actually saving it per comic book. but that got kind of messy really quickly. Yeah. But this is still useful. The heck is this one? Archive entry index. Oh, I see. Okay. These aren't necessary though. Yeah, let's refactor this. This icy page. We don't need the width and height. But what we do need is a universal identifier. Welcome back, sir. Actually, do I even... Curious now. Do I... What is risk of rain? Oh, this looks pretty cool. Okay. I don't think I have this. I mean, let me check my Steam. Problem is, I've gone through so many Steam sales now, half the time I'll be, oh, that's a good looking game, and then I'll check and somehow I already bought it at some point. What kind of genre is this? Oops. Oh boy. Oh, Steam sale this weekend. Just what I need. Risk of... No, I do not have it. Okay. Alright, let me add that to the list, though. Ooh, Steam sale. Risk of Rain 2. There we go. Alright, next Steam sale, baby. Let's check this one out. Any good games here, though? Let's have a look. Wow, there's a lot of games here I don't have. Oh yeah, Hotline Miami. Very good. Weedcraft. Okay. Holy moly, that's a... Oh, this is great. My Friend Pedro is a great game. Alright, I have to check that out later. Copy. Should just be an easy matter of when you create the what was it? What was that? Default properties, is that a thing? Default. There is. There we go, default. Not necessary. I guess that's fine. Okay. So when we make one of these objects for the first time, we automatically assign. No, that's okay. How is your ding-dang wife going? No, I didn't buy it, but it looks pretty dope. What kind of game is it? It looks like tower defense. I put it on my wish list. I'll buy it next time there's a Steam sale, which I'm guessing we're probably right on the edge of the Steam summer sale coming up soon. Okay, that should work. How the heck did I... Oh, dearie me. I've clean forgotten how half this stuff works. There's so much fluff everywhere. PvE cooperative roguelike. Okay. With infinite power scaling. That's better than Path of Exile. We're about to max out our builds, and I don't... I want to keep going. I don't like how it caps at 100. PvE, that sounds pretty sweet. Still playing Monster Hunter at all? I think so. Isn't that correct? Max level. Yeah. You can only go up to 100 in Path of Exile. I think you can get items that let you like down level if you want to reclaim skill points and try again. I think. Yeah. Yeah, so me and my friends, we're like level 82 and 3 right now, so we're like, oh no, we're nearly at 100. Better finalize the builds. Where am I defining these configurations? Oh, okay. Yeah. It goes up to 100. No, we haven't hit 100 yet. I have to admit, like once you get up to past level 80, it scales pretty rapidly after that. Managing the pages row. Oh boy, I can't remember writing half of any of this stuff. Self.realm configuration. The amount of XP it takes to get from 98 to 99 is more than all the XP it takes to get to 98. Oh boy, of course. Okay. I mean, right now we're doing pretty high-level maps, and the XP flow is pretty good, although we get killed a lot as well. So the leveling seemed like it was scaling up, but maybe this is because of the level of the monsters we were fighting. Boy, level 100. That's the dream then. Swift? What's Swift doing in here? Is that the only thing I have in there? Is that I see? Yeah, okay. Maybe I'll define the I'll define the configuration object as a member of IC page then. Like configuration for comic with UID. that's all I need. What's the variables? Variables is... Oh, yeah, just the comic ID. That works. I'm trying to work out where else this is defined. Cool. Yeah, I'm curious if how long we'll keep playing it, but yeah. Maybe we can hit it up. I don't think we're doing League though. I think League might be a bit too hardcore for us. Where the heck? Man, where the heck am I declaring this realm from? Self.realm config. What the heck? Oh, here we go. Self.realm configuration. Just IC page. Is that it? Is this it? Oh, okay, I see. All right. Wait, so which one? Is this the classic or is this the new one? This is the classic one. I see Comic Manager. Is this the new one? Yeah, this is the new one. So Comic Manager is the new one. All right, and we already have a okay. We already have a class for that. Why are we doing that? Where's this being defined? Ah, this code's such a mess. Where's cache path? Oh, there you go. Self.comic. Oh, okay, I see. File path of cache directory of comic for UID. Okay. Oi. Something I've learned after doing iOS development for so long is like organizing this kind of stuff. These like file path helpers and the likes is a huge matter of opinion. And people put them in the weirdest places. Oh, here should work though. Let's do that. I think it's a bit better than having it in here. Oh, yeah. What a mess. See, so we request request a page image for page index. We grab an archive for current thread. But we also need to get a page object for the current thread. How do you do this? All right, let's see what's up. Page for index. And we have the realm configuration, and that is thread safe. That's good. So let's see, we just have to do is to say give us a better name. This is a bit confusing. Was pages realm configuration. Okay. Pages realm configuration, error none, because this shouldn't happen, but page for index on current. I guess that's not necessary. The point of this one is it's thread safe. Realm. Object for primary key. Is that correct? Nope, that's not correct. Oh, right. That's Swift. This one's object for primary key in realm. Object in realm. Here we go. Object in realm. Oops. For primary key, which is index. Think that'll work? Page for index. Index is page index. See if this even works. Oh, nope, because I deleted size. I've made it complain every... Yeah, back in the old days with Realm, you actually had to... Get rid of that. You actually had to predefine... Even if it was like 0... You had to define some value for each property in a realm object. Pages from cache. So another reason why I want to rewrite it is a lot of the rules of the APIs have changed, and so a lot of this code used to be mandatory, but now it's not. Oh, goody. It threw an exception. Hey. What'd I do? What'd I break? Computer says no. What did it... Oh, boy. I broke it good. What is this? I don't want to remove the instruction point. I just want to keep reading. I want to read the rest of the thingy. What's it say? How do you break a realm that badly? Oh, there we go. Open failed is a directory path. Oh, okay. What have I done? Cache. Oh, okay. This is the wrong. Cache folder file path. I need the actual realm file though. Where's the realm file? Cache comic info file. Here it is. Where's this names? Cache properties file path. Okay. All right. That's a completely legitimate crash. Which I think that's a good thing. That's a good thing about Realm is other frameworks will pretend that they're working and tell you and then crash later. Realm is extremely, there you go. Realm is extremely opinionated in the sense that it'll crash immediately, which is good because if you've done something wrong, you'll find out immediately. It's quite nice. Well, in this case, this is a bit annoying though. Needs to be migrated. Oh, okay, yep. What's an RLM migration? How do I... Oh, okay. It's gonna work. Is it gonna complain? Dang it. I hope this will work. What? Wait, what? Oh. This is a dynamic API. Got to do this in the dynamic API way. Thanks, Realm. New object. Cool, that works. Perfect. There we go. If I check the file now, the file is apparently empty. Open the file up again. Hey, there we go. Everything's got a UUID now. Perfect. Let's just... everything seems to be in line. Oh, that's good to know. All right, I think I might leave it at that. It's dinner time. That was fun, though. I'll try and make this a bit more structured next time. But for all the folks who tuned in, Gavin, it's good to talk to you, man. Have a good time playing. I'll talk to you next time. And for everyone else, catch you next time.